Joshua Tebow, the protagonist, presents Caillou creates a fake EAS alarm / grounded. Requested by MXR aka MI. Shout out to Charlie Callahan for subbing to the channel.
My gosh. This coffee tastes so damn good. Oh shoot. I have to go wee in the toilet. Be right back.
Great, he's gone. Now let's make a fake EAS alarm so that there's no school today. Easy. Let's do it. Attention everyone. There's a spreading fire in the building. Evacuate quickly. In the classroom.
Oh my God. Everyone. Out the classroom and into the parking lot now.
When everyone's outside.
Phew. We just made it.
Oh my gosh, Miss Green. I could not believe there's a fire in the building.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm glad you're okay.
Caillou. I just checked the security cameras, and I saw that you made a fake EAS alarm in my office by using the intercom.
Intercom. Caillou, I cannot believe you faked you going to the bathroom and decided to make a fake EAS alarm instead.
And you're suspended for 1,666 poopy noses. Go home now.
When Caillou's home.
Caillou, how dare you make a fake EAS alarm? That's it, you're grounded for 1/6 stillion avocados farts. Go to your room now, dry dear wax head.
Wax.